Hi, I'm Bryon Angerman with Alsip Home Nursery, and we are going to talk today about 3 different things that we can do over the winter time to help our lawn and garden, and we'll talk about some outdoor pet tips this time of the season. First of all, we're going to start with our indoor plants. Indoor plants this time of season are looking for 2 basic things. 1, preventative and or actual insecticides that will kill on contact. On a monthly basis, we like to use an insecticidal soap by Bryon. What this product does is all organic, and it's a post-emergent, or if you actually have visible bugs and or pests, this product will take care of those, and it is organic, so it's safe to use indoor, outdoor, around small children, around your pets. Also, the Bryon product, the systemic granular, which is systemic, means that it's drawing the chemical through the root system and instilling it into the actual plant. So it's a great preventative medicine as well as a slow release on a killer for post-emergent bugs. Last thing on indoor plants this time of the season. Remember that since our furnaces are working above and beyond their normal capacity during this cold weather time that we're having here in January and February, plants tend to lose a lot of moisture. Since they're losing a lot of the moisture, supplemental watering as well as adding a nice saucer at the base, adding some pond pebbles and or rocks to the bottom of the base, and filling it weekly or bi-weekly with water will help keep the humidity levels on and around the plant above their normal levels, since the rest of the house tends to dry out. Moving outdoors. Best thing this time of the season for our plants that we can do to help them is to look at our evergreens. Most deciduous plants lose all their leaves, so they are less susceptible to any winter kill, since most of their energy levels are stored below the ground. However, plants like rhododendron, azaleas, boxwoods, yews, arborvitae keep their leaves and or their needles on them, so therefore they're more susceptible to the winter winds and the weather that we are having. Once the weather gets below 0, loss of moisture through transpiration of leaves is very prominent in the winter months. We use a wilt stop by Bryon, which is a transparent product that basically puts a waxy coating that's derived from pine resin through and on top of all the surface areas of the needles. What this will allow the plant to do is to retain its moisture and keep the plant from dehydrating through the winter winds, sun scald, and it will also help keep the salts from excessive salting off of your plants. This can be applied every 4 to 6 weeks based on weather. Once the weather gets above freezing for the rest of the season, no need to apply. And last but not least, we're going to move to our fine feathered friends. Dealing with birds this time of the season, we have an influx of food that we can provide to them. Since most of their food is not available through the heavy snows and the cold, they tend to burn a lot of fat, a lot of stored fat through their energy systems. We have a deluxe and a premium mix of bird seed that are available and it's formulated for all the birds that are native and local to the Midwest areas, as well as birds that are migrating in and out of the Midwest area. And last but not least, Alsip Nursery offers a vast array of different types of bird feeders, as well as soot feeders, high in protein, high in saturated fats for your woodpeckers and other carnivorous birds this time of the season that aren't able to feed and ingest insects this time of the season because of the cold weather. Please visit us next month on our web for our next web show dealing with late winter and early spring gardening tips. I'm Bryon Angerman with Alsip Home Nursery. Thank you.